We still have bullish high time frame right here. It never broke structure down, so I'm definitely gonna be looking for longs. Looks like this gap on the 1 hour got respected here as well, a few times. Yesterday was pretty much the fucking straight line up, but I still think we can go higher because this gap here got respected, and we have liquidity resting right around here. Boom. Actually, that got taken out. Mark off the session. We got 9:30. We have a 3 a.m. and 22. It looks pretty good. We have all the levels marked out from previous sessions, so this is going to be Asian highs, Asian lows. Right here is London lows, and then right above here is London highs. Looks like SPY's having a stronger move down than Nasdaq is. But again, we have this gap that was respected on both indexes. Never broke below. Doesn't look like there's any real divergence, so I'm thinking that we can start going up. See, Nasdaq has this big ass gap right here that we just don't have on SPY. I'm not sure what to make of that. Especially if SPY clears out these, and then Nasdaq is. So the SPY opens up, clears out any one of these points, and Nasdaq is still all the way down here. Could be a sign to keep going up. Because Nasdaq's gonna have to fill this gap eventually. It looks like Nasdaq has been lacking. Let's see if we look at 8:30 to 3. 8:30 to 3. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty close to being relatively high, or relative equal highs, where NQ is very far down. If MES opens up and it doesn't start going down right away, it doesn't break structure downwards here, I mean, then I think that NQ is going to have to follow and take these up. Especially because both indexes have this gap that's been respected here. That and this. So I could see us opening up, sweeping something around here, respect the gap again, and then shoot up. Especially Nasdaq, fill up this gap. Same thing here, sweep any one of these lows, this low or below this gap. Don't close it below it at least, and then start coming up, chasing any one of these points. And on top of that, we have this gap here that's been inversed, so hoping this gets disrespected. I think we're going to come down right at market open, sweep this point, not break below this, and then start shooting up. Point of entry would be if we disrespect this inverse gap, because if we just bounce into it, start coming down, there's no point of entering. If we close above this gap after sweeping this, then I'll go for a long chasing this or this, with the stop being right below. Probably, honestly, this point would be fine. Same thing on Nasdaq. I think we're gonna come down. Let's see if this inversed at all. No, not really. Not much of an inverse. No. Okay, so there's no real inverse on Nasdaq, but still, I think we're gonna open up, come down, sweep this, close above this gap, hopefully, and then start shooting up for this point here. Now, because there's so much displacement on both indexes, a lot of liquidity, especially on Nasdaq with this gap, I'm fairly confident that we're gonna go up. Doesn't look too bad, honestly. I think this is the first time pre-market has actually fucking showed some type of setup or potential in the past couple of days. I was looking through December's price action, and oh my god, it's 10 times better than it was in January. Liquidity was working the way it was supposed to. We have sweeps, we have breaker structures, everything was beautiful, but last month, none of that shit worked. I don't know what the fuck happened, but price was just moving any direction it wants. No liquidity was grabbed, nothing. It literally just ripped or sunk. So I'm hoping this is a pretty good sign that we're gonna be back this month. This point has been very strong recently. This gap here, it's bouncing to it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now. If this closes 8 times in the 5-minute gap, boom, boom. Okay, all I need is for this to close. I'll enter for a long. Stop loss to be right below this point here. Okay, it looks like that whole gap got actually fucking respected. Never mind. Whatever happens is fine as long as it doesn't close below this gap. If we sweep this without closing below here, that's perfect. We got a minute and 10 seconds to not close below this gap. It's not the end of the world if it does, because like I said, we still have this gap here. So if this gets closed below finally, that's fine. Oh, okay. Perfect. Took out all that liquidity right here. Look at this fucking volatile wick, man. From all the way up here, 70.17 to 73. Then close below this, that's perfect, that's fine. Swept this out. Need this gap to not get respected, and then we can go. Even if we can make a little bit of an inverse right here, bounce back into it. That's even better. See what Nasdaq's been up to. Oh, Nasdaq is just ripping down. Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq closed below all these gaps. Fuck. Well, this gap got closed below. That's annoying, but it does look like we have this sweep here. It's not necessarily invalid. It just shows that that point of resistance broke. So now my next target will be this. If this gap still holds up, or doesn't hold up, I mean, and we break to the inverse, then it's still going for longs. By that point, it's going to be definitely breaker structure because we're all the way up here anyway. So all I need is for this gap to get cleared and closed above. Now Nasdaq has built this new gap, and keep in mind that we still have this giant gap up here from, what was this, like 2 days ago? Yeah, the 29th. It's like 4 days ago. Oh fuck, where did this come from? What the fuck is going on, man? This price is so shit. No, nothing's fucking happening. It's literally just doing whatever the fuck it wants. It's not following any bias, nothing. On the bright side now, at least Asian lows are completely swept out. Looks like that fucking inverse held up a little bit too well, huh? We bounced into it, we're broke right down. I mean, what the fuck is up with these barcodes, man? It's just literally making a fucking barcode. 4 minutes in high time frame switches to bearish. Look at Nasdaq, bro. This is fucking insane. Now it's into this gap. This got deleted. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna respect this gap. I mean, at this point, it doesn't even matter because high time frame is definitely bearish now. So this, that doesn't really matter anymore. Yeah, looking back at it, this inverse holds up. Breaker structure down literally any one of these fucking candles. This never broke back up. That's confirmation to enter. We even had this close right below, so this would have been confirmation to enter right here. If I was short on the day, if my bias was bearish, I would have entered probably off of this. Stop loss would have been above here, or if I was being really tight, right above this. Damn, bro, we just fucking nuked everything. Yeah, bro, forget what I said yesterday. Look at this fucking price action, man. This is a 1 hour fucking chart. Yesterday was nothing but white, or I guess nothing but green, all the way up, all the way up. Today, what is this? Yeah, man, forget what I said yesterday. Look at this bullshit. Yesterday was nothing but fucking green all the way up. And today just inverses for no reason. No setups, nothing. We had like the tiniest fucking liquidity sweep. And price just nukes for no fucking reason. There wasn't a bad entry for shorts up here, but I just don't know who the fuck would have taken shorts today when the bias was definitely bullish. I mean, everything was going up. 30-minute was up, 1 hour was up, 4 hour was up. Everything was primed to go long. This giant displacement on NQ that we had as well, right here, still hasn't even been touched. I don't know, man. Prices is doing whatever the fuck it wants these past like 6-7 weeks. Honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna get anything. I don't see myself going for any shorts or nothing today. The move has definitely been missed, so I think I'm good to call it. Tuesday, so far this week, I had one fucking pretty much break-even trade. I think I was up like $22 or something very insignificant, so I mean, this week has been very, very slow, so hopefully tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, we'll have something. If I can close the week out with like plus 500 even, I would be happy for this account. For right now, I think I'm done. There's nothing going on, man. It is what it is. Move's been missed. Bias changed. Fuck that. It's too volatile for me.